Hello there, Major Look team. How the hell are you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. Not that you did, you know what I mean. Anyway, so it's Tuesday, the 11th of May. I think it's the 11th of May. It's Tuesday in May and early in May, so I think it is the 11th. I really should. No, it's the 12th. Oh my goodness, I got that wrong. So it's the 12th of May. And so what I'm going to do is, when I started this YouTube channel, I thought, it'd be easy. Like, you just start a YouTube channel and everyone will come to it. Obviously, I'm not that clever. No, obviously I knew there was more work to it and everything like that, and I have neglected it a bit, and I've already said that in the last video. But this video, now what I'm going to do, I've gone onto the internet, which is the place where you go, where you can look up stuff, and figuring out how to do, a great YouTube channel. And there's so many different aspects to it. Should I have a fluffy microphone here? Should I not have a fluffy microphone here? Should I change my background? Should I have a light in the background? Should I go AI? No, I don't think I should. Although some elements probably will end up being AI, like maybe, what has happened? You know what? This actually is a perfect segue. So what I am going to do, so I've learned about, I've watched. So now I'm about to learn. I've watched a series of videos on SEO, search engine optimization, for my YouTube channel, Major Look TV, which is where you are, or if you're on another, I guess, social media thing that I've just ripped this video off and put it on there, then go to Major Look TV on YouTube, like and subscribe. So what I'm going to do is this wonderful, wonderful series that I was part of, Till You Make It. We have 4 episodes on Major Look TV. And what I want to do is I want to test the theory. I want you to come along on the journey with me with Major Look TV, see where I fail, see where I win. But I'm just about to, and this is where AI has come in. I've gone to one of the AI things and said, please do an SEO on my channel, not my channel, do an SEO on the episodes of Till You Make It. So search engine optimization, they've given me new descriptions, new suggestions on titles, all this kind of thing. So I'm curious, will it work? And I did actually do that search and that optimization a couple of weeks ago. So maybe the keywords will be different now. Maybe I've left it too late. Maybe there's so many maybes in this world, but it's going to be really interesting. I've taken a little screenshot of where the view count was. Well, that looks like money, doesn't it? Where the view count was prior to me doing this search engine optimization. And so I'm just about to do it. I'm just about to change all the descriptions. And so it is the Tuesday, the 12th of May. I'm about to change it all, and let's just see what difference it makes. These videos have been up for a while, so maybe the algorithm's always going. Anyway, that's my first step for Major Look TV, is actually going to school on things that people are saying, as opposed to thinking I know everything. Because the one thing I've learned is, as soon as you think you know everything, you know absolutely nothing. And I think I've said that before, and I'll probably say it again. I think that might be the theme of this particular channel. Like, I know nothing. In fact, I do. I know nothing. But come on the journey. Let's build Major Look TV together. There's going to be so much for you to watch. And let's see if this SEO from that AI buddy that he gave me is going to work to bring the numbers up on Till You Make It. If you haven't seen Till You Make It and you're watching this video, please go to Major Look TV, MAJORLOOK TV on YouTube. All right, let's see what happens.